How can we say this verb? Read? Read? Yes, they are both correct. Why? One way to say this verb is read. I read every day. Another way to say this verb is read. I read yesterday. Do you hear the difference? Read is the pronunciation for the past. Write, R-E-A-D, but say read in the past. Look for time words such as yesterday, last week, last month, 2 years ago, to know when to say read or read. Listen closely for read in a conversation. Sometimes it is the past tense of read, read. But sometimes it is also the color red. They sound the same. So listen carefully. Ready? Have you read the Red book? Yes, I read it last month. I like reading fantasy books, but this red cover book was not very interesting. Did you get it? What was not very interesting?